Carvel on the beat.
Hey guys, happy December 6th. I'm going to work right now. I'll be there till 2:30 and then I'm gonna stop at Target to look at their jackets and their purses, and then after that I'm going to the gym, and then I have to stop at Walmart also. So yeah, and then Lucas should be coming over. I don't know if he is yet. So if he does, then I'll be going home right after work. If he doesn't, then I'm gonna go do those things. But then if he does come over, I'll be doing those later. So yeah, we're gonna film a video today. Hopefully he comes over. Hey guys, so I just got home from work. I sat down and I ate my dinner there. It's really cold outside. It started snowing. Lucas wasn't able to come film, so I just came home because it's cold. It started snowing. I don't like driving in the snow, so I just decided that I'll wait to do my errands. So yeah.
Good morning, you guys, and happy Vlogmas Day 6. It took me forever to say that, but yeah, today I don't really have anything planned. I'm just gonna straighten up my room. I was gonna go shopping, but it's supposed to snow all day today, and I'm not a fan of the snow, so we're just gonna have a chill, relaxed day. Yeah, probably gonna do my makeup because I haven't done my makeup in forever, and I love doing makeup, so I'm just gonna beat my face just cause. Update time. I did nothing today but be home, and I did my makeup, in case you could tell, because I had nothing to do today. I think I told you guys I was going to do my makeup. I didn't think I was going to go through with it, but I did, so yeah. This Vlogmas video sucks, and it's snowing outside, and I don't like snow. I'm going to see Sheila. I haven't seen her in forever, so that's really great, but, so we're going to be vlogging together. It is freezing. I got glammed up for the first time in forever. I haven't done my makeup in forever because I've been so sick, but I'm getting so much better and I'm so excited because I hate being sick. I don't know what I did to deserve it, but yeah. Okay. Also, I know this, I forgot what I was gonna say, never mind. So yeah, it's currently, I don't know, 1 something. I am about to go head out to see Sheila. Go get some food to eat because a girl needs to eat. I had toaster strudels for breakfast. I think you saw that. I don't know if I'm gonna insert the clip or not. I don't know if I'm gonna insert this clip or not, but yeah, I'm really excited. I love Panera. It's so good. But I'm definitely gonna be trying to vlog more now that I'm healthy and not dying. And me and Sheila are definitely gonna try to see each other more now that I'm healthy and not dying. I just ruined everything. But I'm not surprised. But yeah, so hopefully I will see her soon in the next clip. But you guys won't be like 2 seconds. Okay, it's snowing and I think I just saw lightning, and I'm actually terrified of lightning because I'm a little kid and I hate the snow, so I'm not excited. So I'm just gonna start driving before I get too late. Okay, hey. I didn't even pull up my driveway yet and it's hailing. I hate the snow. I do not like it. I never liked it and I never will. I hate the snow and everything about it. So plans are canceled because the snow ruins everything. So here I am walking back into my house. This is ridiculous. Okay, see you inside. So those plans went down south really quickly. We're just gonna, hang out another day. This weather's bad. I just want to stay home anyways. Like, I miss her, but I like being at home, especially when weather gets like this. I like to relax, so, yeah. Oh, someone just commented on my Finsta post. I love my friends.
This is how I feel to have a winning streak, baby. Rockin' shit you can't pull off. That Chelsea Wilson. Win, win.